Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying your Office 365 business license and storage quota. This determines sync limits. Once confirmed, install the OneDrive app on your device and sign in with your work account. If your tenant uses multi-factor authentication, complete that now so you won't be blocked later. Choose your local OneDrive folder location deliberately. Pick a drive with sufficient free space. This initial setup prevents later sync conflicts and speeds up the first. Now you control what stays local and what's cloud only. Enable files on demand and pick specific folders to sync. Create clear team folders, apply consistent naming, and assign permissions. Use edit links for collaborators and view only when needed. Make use of file versioning so you can roll back changes and tag files with metadata to improve search results. Once organized, teach teammates the same structure. Consistency reduces duplicates and accidental overwrites. Finish by leveraging the OneDrive web portal for restores, recycle bin recovery, and admin settings. If sync problems arise, pause and resume sync, sign out and back in, or clear cached credentials. A client reset fixes many persistent issues. Also enable retention policies and audit logs so you can monitor compliance. If a file won't sync, check file name length, illegal characters, and path depth. Fix those first. Then retry sync to avoid lost time and data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.